Hey there, I'm Crystal, content director and photographer over at Crystal Clear Photography, and I'm coming to you talking to you about one of the biggest pain points when it comes to Instagram and trying to keep that beautiful monochromatic feed. A lot of times we get different photos from influencers, different stock photo shops, and other resources, and we're trying to find a way to incorporate that in our feed because we love that image and we want it to be included in our feed and going along with the content that we're talking about. So how do you go about making that photo fit in your feed and keeping that same beautiful look throughout your Instagram profile? Here are 3 tips from me to you on exactly how you can achieve that. First is making sure that there's lighting consistency. And that's whether you're shooting the photo or you're going to a stock shop and looking for a photo that's going to fit your feed. If your feed is dark and moody, you're going to want to find other stock photos and things are going to be the same way. The same goes for any other photo that you're looking for. If you're light and bright, it needs to be the same thing. If a photo is shot and it's too bright, you might have to adjust the brightness on that. One thing that people always forget is being able to adjust the settings whenever you're uploading the photo. When you first initially upload it to Instagram, it does give you filter options, but then it also gives you a few other options where you can manually adjust your brightness. So it could be just something as small as tweaking the brightness just a little bit up or down to make your photo fit into the feed. So make sure to keep up with that lighting consistency and it will help you maintain that overall beautiful look. Tip 2 is making sure that the style fits. If you see a beautiful photo of this style desk, it's got beautiful florals, gold accents, and all these other things present, and your feed really doesn't have any of those kinds of things and you maybe don't ever use gold, then it's probably not going to be the right fit. So make sure that you're matching the style. Yes, you might be attracted to different things, and while that's fantastic, it's not going to help you keep that same consistency throughout your Instagram feed. So make sure to take a look over what you have been posting and notice whether or not the props and things that someone's using in a stock photo is going to be the right fit for your feed in particular. This goes the same for anything that you're doing custom as well. Making sure that you keep that cohesiveness, keeps that beautiful flow throughout your Instagram feed and the look that you're wanting to have. Lastly, make sure you're using the same presets. Everybody is selling a preset. Whether you're a photographer, there are bloggers, there are all kinds of people selling presets. You could even go to something like Modern Market and find tons of free presets or really cheap presets that you can download. The key is finding one that you really like that's going to fit the style that you're going for. It's going to have the look and the light that you're going for as well, and make sure to use that same one all the time. But what's most important about this particular tip is the last and final tip, which is going to be number 4. It's actually going to be a bonus tip for you, is make sure you adjust your settings on your preset. Every single photo isn't going to be the same. And so as I mentioned before, like just when you upload it to Instagram, you can tweak a little bit of the lighting and the coloring, and that is where it becomes key in keeping that consistency. Is a lot of times people will slap a preset over a photo and go, you know what, it's a little dark, but oh well, and they push along and they post it and then they realize that one photo has messed up their feed. What you should do is stop and go, oh, you know what, it's a little dark. Go into the other tool settings and adjust the brightness just a little bit so that you can have all of those photos looking almost exactly the same with that exact same preset throughout your entire feed. So if these tips don't help you, girlfriend, we need to talk because I don't know what will. I hope that these have been informational for you. Make sure to click subscribe below and stay up to date on the weekly videos that I'm posting to help you, your product and brand photography continue to improve. And don't forget, if you click this beautiful link below in my description, I am getting ready to launch a mega awesome flat lay method e-course that is going to help you continue to improve your own photography. Till next time, I'll see you soon.